Because if you've been doing this for 2 whole weeks and your ass ain't rich yet, then the only logical conclusion is that it's a scam. Hey everyone, what's up? Devon Brown here, and today, I just want to tell you something real quick. And what I want to tell you is I want to tell you to practice the P word. Practice the P word. What's the P word? The P word is patience. In your online business, as you're trying to grow your online business, or frankly, in any endeavor that you are pursuing, one of the secrets of success, and I've said this a million times before, is patience. And the reason I'm making this video is because just a couple of days ago, I was in one of my private Facebook groups for entrepreneurs, and somebody posted in the group, I shit you not, this is what they said: I have been doing this system for 2 weeks and I haven't made money yet. This is a scam. And the first thing I thought to myself was, are you 2 weeks? Oh my God, you've been doing this for 2 whole weeks? Woo! Well, it must be a scam. Because if you've been doing this for 2 whole weeks and your ass ain't rich yet, then the only logical conclusion is that it's a scam. That's the only thing that makes sense. I mean, there's no way that it could be that it's only been 2 fucking weeks. It has to be a scam. It is amazing to me. And to be honest, this is how I used to be. And this is one of the reasons that it took me over 7 years to figure out how to actually make money in my own internet home business. But it's amazing to me how quickly we expect these giant results, and how when they don't come literally microwave fast, we give up, we call it a scam, and we move on to the next thing. Like, I literally wanted to jump through the computer and smack the person who wrote that, but then I would get in trouble and go to jail for assault for smacking people. And so that's probably not a good idea to do. But here's what I want to tell you. Practice a little bit of patience. Anything that you're going to do where the results are eventually going to be big takes a little bit of time. It takes time to get good at stuff. And I even have to practice this stuff myself, to be honest with you. When I first got into doing Facebook ads, I don't personally do them. I have somebody do them for me because I don't understand them. They're way too complicated for me. But when we first got into it, we turned the ads on and we were paying $4 or $5 or $10 or some nonsense to get a click. And I was like, this sucks. And she was like, calm your ass down, Devon. Be patient. We're just starting. We have to get some data. Don't bother me for 2 months. And I didn't bother her for 2 months. And then at the end of 2 months now, we do quite well. And I'm like, it's a good thing I didn't jump the gun and quit because I couldn't practice patience. And so, so am I making fun of the person who posted that in my group? Yeah, I am. But I'm also making fun of myself. And half these videos I make so that I hear myself say them so that I don't get to be a hypocrite as easily. Anyway, the point is that in anything that you try to do, whether you're trying to grow a business, whether you're trying to lose weight, whether you're trying to write a book, whatever you're trying to do, it takes a little bit of time. And I just want you to remember that. And if you've only been doing something for a couple of weeks, then and it's not working quite how you want it, then it's really dumb to think that it doesn't work. That's really stupid. I love you and I love me, but that's really dumb. It's 2 weeks. You go to college for 4 years, but you won't try a new endeavor for 2 weeks without bitching about it? Anywho, I'm gonna get off my high horse where I'm throwing stones at everybody, including myself. I'm just gonna tell you to practice a little bit of patience. Why? Because I love you, because that is one of the secrets, which you already know, That is one of the secrets of the people who achieve massive success. That's one of the things that they do that the people who don't achieve any success do. That came out way wrong, but you know what the hell I'm trying to say. All right, go practice some patience. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Hey, Devon here. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and connect with me on social media. And if you enjoyed this content, be sure to share it with your friends.